Hello folks, welcome to my new video show. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Magellan GPS 5390. The Magellan 5390 is a smart GPS with built-in Wi-Fi and you can upgrade the memory. So this series is much better than the 2230T LM, those series. In fact, I have used many different GPS from Magellan. In my previous videos, I have mentioned why I am going for Magellan, because this has a cue. This will give a chime, a bell just before you turn. Even though you are very indulged in your conversation inside the car, you will be able to listen to that bell and you won't miss the route. So that's why I go for Magellan. And one more thing is that this gives so much features compared to Garmin and TomTom and other GPS of similar kind. This gives lifetime traffic updates with map updates and optional phantom alert, that's red camera alert. Compared to Garmin, this is much cheaper in price, and the reliability is it's good. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so this is the Magellan Smart GPS 5390. It says phone sends to Smart GPS. Smart GPS features: cheapest gas prices, Yelp and Foursquare reviews, seamless synchronization between devices, iOS and Android apps included, Wi-Fi connected. Premium GPS features are 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, lifetime maps and traffic alerts, junction view, Bluetooth hands-free calling, that's a great feature, and red light and speed camera alerts by Phantom Alert. So I guess the basic feature comes as free, but for the full version you need to pay per month. The connected car GPS for everyone. Cloud connected. Enter once, never lose contacts and destination. Receive valuable local navigation and shopping information. Then free companion apps. Search and send locations to Smart GPS. Smartphone friendly. Okay. The other features are hands-free calling and legal navigation, red light and speed camera alerts. Find cheapest price, receive Yelp and Foursquare reviews and deals. Safer driving. Okay. Here we go. And package. What are the contents of this package? This has Smart GPS 5390 with battery, windshield mount, vehicle power adapter, micro USB cord, USB AC adapter, quick start guide, Smart GPS app download card. Okay, right, this looks neat, elegant, and let's do the unboxing. And my tool. We put the seal. Okay. There you go. Right. www.magellangps.com/support. It's a GPS. Let's see what are the contents. This is the car's charger with the windshield mount. Earlier we had to connect this wire every time we attach the GPS. Now they have mounted along with the windshield mount, so you don't need to connect it every time. That was a pain actually, right? This is I said it attached and it came out. This is the wall charger. Okay, we need to attach this wire to the designated place here. It's wonderful. You need to attach it, and this goes on to the GPS. Right. Okay. And other things inside the box are free Magellan Roadmate on the go download app. So that's one, and a brochure, quick start guide. So that's pretty much everything inside. Wall mount and the wire, the wall power outlet, the wall power adapter. The wall power adapter, alright. Let's remove the film. There we go. This is the home switch. Say when you are in the middle of, say, in some route and you want to just go to the home main page, you just press this one. So that's a new feature they have added recently. This is the power switch on and off, and this is the micro SD. So I'm not sure at this point how much they are supporting, how much external memory they can support. I'm not sure about it. Usually it's 2 GB, and this is for headphone jack, and the power adapter port, and the windshield mount. This is the speaker. We need to charge it for some time before we use. So guys, that's it for now. That's for the time being. I have to take it through trial to know the performance of it. Once I have used it, I'll definitely give you a review, saying whether this is advisable to buy or not. Okay, so thanks once again for checking this video, and please subscribe, share, and stay tuned. I'll be uploading new videos every week. See you soon.